So let's crochet my Deadpool square.
Let's fucking go!
A little about the materials. I've used some different yarns in a size medium weight for a black, a white-ish, and a red-ish in Deadpool color. Then I've used a 4.5mm crochet hook, some scissors, a tapestry needle, and then of course my motivation. Well, okay, let's begin.
Let's fucking go!
Let's fucking go.
First we do a magic ring. Then we chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And these 3 chains count as the first double crochet. Then we crochet another 11 double crochet into the ring. And when you have 12 double crochet in total, you join with a slip stitch in the top chain from the beginning. Then you chain 3. And this again counts as a double crochet. Then work another double crochet into the same stitch. And then work 2 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. And then you have 24 stitches. You will now again join with a slip stitch on top. Then chain 3. And work another double crochet in the same stitch. So you have 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then in the next stitch you will only do 1 double crochet. And then in the next stitch, 2 double crochet, then 1, then 2, then 1 and 2, all the way around. And now we have 36 stitches, and then we join with a slip stitch on top and break the yarn because now we want to do a color change. So just pull through and then find somewhere else on the circle, insert the hook, grab the new color yarn and pull through. Tie a little knot in this color. Then insert the hook, grab a loop, and chain 3. Then do another 3. No, sorry, this one counts as 1 double crochet. Then do another double crochet in the same stitch. Then for the next 3 stitches, you'll work 1 double crochet in each stitch. So 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 double crochet. And then in the next stitch, you'll work 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So 1 and another in the same stitch. Then 3 stitches with only 1 double crochet in each stitch, and then 2 double crochet. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, and so on all the way around. So we now have 60 stitches in the round, and we will join with a slip stitch on top. Now we can break the yarn again, pull through, and then find the black yarn again, which we will attach in another stitch. Just push in the hook and attach the yarn with a little knot. And we will now turn it into a square. So insert the hook, pull up a loop, and then we start with a chain of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this counts as the first double triple crochet. So now you work another double triple crochet in this first stitch. So you yarn over 3 times and finish your double triple crochet. Then you chain 2, 1, 2, and then you work another 2 double triple crochet in the same stitch. So yarn over 3 times, insert the hook in the same stitch and finish your double triple crochet. And I assume that you already know how to do a double triple crochet. Work another double triple crochet in the same stitch. And that's the first corner. This is always how we do the corner stitches. In the next stitch, you work a double triple crochet. So yarn over 3 times and finish your double triple crochet. So just 1 double triple crochet in the next stitch. And then a triple crochet in the next stitch. So yarn over twice, insert the hook, and finish your triple crochet. And in the next stitch, 1 triple crochet as well. So just 1 triple crochet in the next stitch. In the next 2 stitches, you work 1 double crochet in each stitch. 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch, 1 double crochet. Then a half double crochet in the next stitch. Then in the next 2 stitches, you work 1 single crochet in each stitch. 1 single crochet, and then in the next, 1 single crochet. Then a half double crochet in the next. And then in the next 2 stitches, you work 1 double crochet in each stitch. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next. Then a triple crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. That's 1. And then 1 triple crochet in the next stitch. And then 1 double triple crochet in the next stitch, which will be the final stitch before the corner. So now we do the corner, and we just repeat what we did down here. 2 double triple crochet, then chain 2, and then another 2 double triple crochet in the same stitch. You just do this in this stitch, and then you just repeat what you did over here. All these stitches you will repeat over here, and over here, and over here. So 3 times more until you are back here. And then you join with a slip stitch at the end when you're all the way around. So now you can continue adding more rounds. You will just chain 2 and then work a half double crochet in each stitch and do the corners the same way. Just 2 half double crochet, chain 2, 2 half double crochet. And you can add as many rounds as you would like. Just continue until you think your square is big enough. I did 3 rounds with the half double crochet in total, and this now fits my need. So I joined with a slip stitch over here and break the yarn. And now I want to do one final round with the red yarn. So I attach the yarn someplace, tie a little knot, and then I work 1 round with single crochet. So just 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around to finish it up. When you're done with your edge all the way around, you break the yarn and pull the loop through. Now you want to make the line between the eyes, so you find your red yarn again, make a slip knot, and then chain 20. When you have 20, you will skip the first 2 chains, and in the third one, you'll make a double crochet. And then you will make 1 double crochet in the rest of the chain, so you will end up with 18 double crochet in total. And then you will leave a good amount of yarn, break it, pull this one through, and then find the center and sew it on with your tapestry needle. Now we'll make the eyes, and of course this will be in a white color. Make a slip knot. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Skip the first one. In the second one, you slip stitch. In the next one, you single crochet. And then in the same stitch where you just did the single crochet, you half double crochet. Then in the next stitch or chain, you will double crochet. Then you chain 1, and then you do a double crochet in the same stitch where you just did the other double crochet. Then in the next, you half double crochet. And after that, you single crochet in the same stitch. And the final one, slip stitch. 1 slip stitch. Then, good amount of yarn, break the yarn, and then you have the first eye. Make another one, and sew them on the square with your tapestry needle. And that's it. If you like this one, you should see my Wolverine square. I hope to see you again. Bye!